So hello there and welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a reset video, guys. Yes, it's going to be a reset video with us, me and my daughter. It's a Sunday, we're at home and we are just going to put things back into place for the week to start because tomorrow it's school and everything. Here you can see my baby doing her hair by herself. She's doing a little dance there. She's doing her thing. I'm so proud of her. So yeah, we're gonna do a reset. It's gonna be a quick one. I'm gonna do some meal prep, some cooking, and like cleaning up a bit. I have some clothes to fold that I did yesterday, and that's what we're going to do. And I really hope you guys enjoy this video. So let's just get right into the video. So guys, here I'm about to pack the dishwasher. Yes, the chore that I hate the most, but it got to be done. I don't mean I hate packing dishwasher, but I do hate doing the dishes by hand. And you have to rinse them off and everything before you put them in the dishwasher. But anyway, guys, I have a tip for you guys. I don't know if everyone has tried the pink stuff that everybody's been talking about since like last year. I think I'm new at it, but let me tell you, this shit get the job done. The pink stuff is the .com. Like, you should try it. I do use the spray to clean up the kitchen, and sometimes I use it for the bathroom too. And I do use the paste for like scrubbing down the sink, and also like if you have like pots that is like very dark on the like the bottom, like it's very good to try the pink stuff, the paste. Like, you leave it on for a few minutes, and let me tell you, when you get back and you're about to wash that pot, everything will be so effing clean. Like, it really does what it's supposed to do. I really mean that. So if you haven't tried it, yes, please go ahead and pick one up. And yeah, I live in Sweden, so I buy mines at what do you call it, the normal grocery store like IKEA or Willy. So a friend of mine recommended the pink stuff like about a year ago, and I was like, "There's always gonna be a new product to buy, and I'm not buying it. I'm gonna stick to the evil that I know." And to my surprise, guys, to my surprise, after trying this product like a few weeks ago, it is freaking good. I really like it, and I wish I'd got it earlier. So I am telling you guys, if you have not yet tried the pink stuff, please try it out.
In the town on the hill where the apples grow, the church bells ring every hour or so. I took a little walk just to see the ships coming in. The sun rose up right above the highway. Black, blue, red, yellow, golden skyway. It's like the day that you jump into the wind. I can't go back down to that water again. These old muddy shoes keep on walking the streets. Someone's bride buying Egyptian sheets. The window display of some little store in town. And there's my reflection against the morning light. Hello, Mr. Ghost, Mr. Skeleton White. You better comb your hair, you better wipe that George Clay off your brow. You better stand up straight, man, these people hardly recognize you now. Lord, carry me like a sailing ship. Comfort me before I slip around the dark side of the moon. All this spinning around hurts my head. I just sit here lonesome for you. There's a million things I would rather do instead. I know it takes a lot to change a worried mind, and I know it takes a year to see the warm summertime. But I'm made of nails, man, made of tombstone and tall, tall trees. But the tombstone fades and the nails will rust. The tall oak trees, they all turn to dust. A little every day, it's so slow that you can't even see. I guess I'll try to find another thing to be. Lord, carry me like a sailing ship. Comfort me before I slip around the dark side of the moon. All this spinning around hurts my head. I just sit here lonesome for you. There's a million things I would rather do instead. I just sit here lonesome for you. There's a million things I would rather do instead.
So guys, it's time to make something to eat. Here you see me just preparing some vegetables and stuff. And for my Sunday dinner today, I'm going to be making some Jamaican style stew beef. I've been eating way too much fucking chicken, and I'm so tired of it. I'm so tired of these goddamn birds, man. I'm going to make myself some beef, and yeah. And my daughter told me also that she wanted stew beef because I was talking about it, and she's like, "Mommy, okay, I don't want chicken today, you know. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna make her some beef. Well, I was watching a video on my TikTok, and I saw somebody making beef, and I started craving it. I started craving. And yes, that's the reason why I'm gonna whip some beef up. I'm gonna make some rice and peas, and I'm gonna make a nice salad, you know, to go with that. I'm also going to prepare some chicken just because I need to meal prep, and I need to prep and put away some chicken for tomorrow. You know, I need to, yeah, have some stuff at hand because, like I said, my daughter is going back to school tomorrow. And yes, I also got her engaged in some new activities. So on Monday, she will be doing like swimming lessons. On Wednesday, she will be doing gymnastics, and on Sundays, she do have dance classes, but not this Sunday, like next Sunday. It starts next Sunday. So yes, I'm just gonna, you know, I'm gonna have a busy week ahead of me. Yes, you know, us mommies, we have a lot to do, and I myself have work and a lot of other stuff that I'm trying to keep up with, like, you know, my YouTube channel and making videos in time, like 1 to 2 videos a week. And so it's good to have food prep and stuff put away. So yeah, I don't have to worry when I pick her up and I come home from work because I'm always exhausted. So yes, guys, here you just see me seasoning my meat, you know, the Jamaican way, lots of seasoning, fresh herbs, garlic, ginger, or browning and all those things, and I'm going to do this shit. So yeah, let's do it. That's looking good. So guys, my camera died. As always, I told myself the last time I need to get an extra battery. I haven't gotten that yet, but I'm gonna prioritize it. So my camera died, so I couldn't film when I started cooking the beef. But yes, the beef is simmering, doing its thing, and you know, I did season the chicken and everything that I need to fry because I told you guys I was gonna meal prep and stuff. And I'm gonna fry my chicken. And you know, as a true Jamaican, we always fry some like pimento seed and some pepper, like fried off in the oil, or garlic or whatever before we start, because all that flavor and stuff from the habanero pepper and stuff, you know, before we start frying the chicken. And here you can see me tasting my pot for my pea because I was cooking the peas and stuff. And now I'm going to add my rice. So yes, I have to taste test to see if everything is the way it's supposed to be, you know, because your girl is a chef, you know what I'm saying? So yes, I'm going to fry my chicken and
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come 1 in 12. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be life lessons come 1 in 12. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life
So guys, I'm going to be finishing the cooking off camera because my camera is flipping out a bit. So I'm going to say a big thank you for watching this video in advance and for liking, and thank you to all my subscribers. And if you have not yet subscribed, please like and subscribe to my channel. Guys, yeah, I'm going to just sit with my daughter and do some painting because that's something she wants me to do with her. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do with her. So thank you guys again. Until next time, see you.